Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the WhatsApp voice message problem on iPhone. First, check if WhatsApp needs an update by heading to the App Store. Once it's opened, click on the bottom right search button, then search for WhatsApp. Click on WhatsApp, and if an update is available, make sure to install it. If that doesn't work, enable background app refresh. Close the App Store, go to iPhone settings, then click on General. Next, click on Background App Refresh and ensure it's set to Wi-Fi and cellular data. Then go back one step and find WhatsApp in the list. Once you've found it, click on it. Make sure all options for WhatsApp in the settings menu are toggled on. If the problem persists, try offloading the app. Go back to the main settings page, click on the General section, then click on iPhone Storage. Find and click on WhatsApp, then tap Offload App and reinstall it. These steps should resolve the issue, but if you have any more questions, drop them in the comments. And that's how you fix the WhatsApp voice message problem on iPhone. If this video was helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.